Hey YouTube, it's me again. So this is part 2. I always clap my hands in my videos. Anyways, this is part 2 of my haul video from, well, I just filmed the other part 1 of the haul, and now this is part 2 because your girl got a lot of stuff. I have a couple pair of shoes in this one also, so it's not just clothes. I'm gonna get right to showing you guys, but beforehand I just want to let you guys know, in case it's your first time watching my videos, there is a part 1 to this haul. I got a lot of stuff. I resell on eBay. I don't know if I do it full-time, part-time, I don't know. I resell on eBay. Sorry, I'm saying a lot. The link to my store will be down below in my description. If you send me a message and tell me that you're from YouTube, you can make me an offer and I'll do my best to try to give you a good price. But remember, like, this is also what I do for a living, so I kind of want to make some money on it. But yeah, I love selling to you guys. I like making videos. So let's get right into the clothes that I got. I just photographed all the stuff that I did in part 1, and my arms are honestly kind of tired and my hair is no longer down. My hair went up real fast. So I said in my last video I really wanted to try graphic tees. So I got this Betsey Johnson size large, it's a good size, performance tee, which is kind of like Betsey Johnson's athletic brand, and I think it's really cute. Run long, run strong, run often, run the world. So I like this a lot. This I have heard is a very expensive brand. It's Worth, and it's this little sweater. Oh, that tee I paid $3 for. This I paid for $5. And this is it. It's just like a crochet thing, but I wanted to try it because I've heard that's worth money. I think this is Title IX. I paid full price for this. It was $5 because I think it's cute and I would wear it. It's incredibly soft, incredibly soft. It's got like this high slit in it, but it would probably be a dress if it didn't have this. It would probably be a dress if it didn't have that high slit in it. I always get hurt, always, no matter what I'm doing. I think this is Title IX, the 3 dots, but I'm not positive. If not, I'll keep it, even though it's a size large, because I think it's really comfy feeling. The material tag is missing though, so I'm going to have to do some research on that. Come on, Tristan, go faster, go faster. This is Rosa Niera. It's an Anthropologie little blazer. I just sold one of these for like 30 bucks. This one it was half off, so it was $5, and it's really cute. It's like a little moto jacket more so than a blazer. This was half off. Got a little fuzz on it. This was half off. It's a left of center, which is Anthropologie. This is hello. There we go. This is an Anthropologie brand that does not have the Anthropologie RN number on it. But anyways, left of center, extra small. I do really well in thermal Henley, like the knit tops like this. So I picked this up. It was half off, so it was $3, and it has like this little detail on the side here, and the bottom hem has like the, I don't think it's silk, but it's like the silky material. Oh my god, there was a spider on me. He's dead. I never kill animals either, but like when they come on me, it's different. Oh, now I feel bad. Everything happens while I'm filming, I swear. This, I knew as soon as I felt this. Like, I literally touched it and I was like, Lululemon. And I found a lot of Lululemon, so like I was on the hunt for it today. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It is this nice little shirt, and it has like elbow patches kind of, but it goes all the way around the sleeves on the elbow. And I believe this is a size 8 if it's the same size as the other Lululemons that I got. My camera's gonna die, so let's do this. This is a J. Crew size small. It was half off, so this was $3. The Lululemon was not half off. This is an Athleta top. Athleta. And it's just like this really big oversized throw, and it's got the cute little detail on the back right here. And was this half off? No, that was full price, so that was $5. I like selling athletic stuff though. Lafayette 148. I like selling Lafayette 148 because I could send it to the Real if anything. So this was full price. This was $5, and it's like a little wrap style, and it's silk, so I figured it'll do well with the whole wrap trend going on. This brand I've never heard of, still haven't looked it up. It is Hero and Lander. I don't know, but it's 100% silk and it's super pretty, and it was half off, so it was $3, and I just like the colors and I like the print. I like to sell things that I like. This is Sundance, so this is just like a basic Sundance top, and it is like an ivory color, fake wrap, fox wrap, I don't know, however you want to say it, but stretchy, very stretchy and very comfortable feeling. That's a great basic. This was full price. It's a little Madewell top, and it's got the slit in the back. Cute. I like selling Madewell. I think that's a pretty recent style. This is Stitch Fix. It's 0+0 is what it says on the tag, exclusively for Stitch Fix. It's a size extra large. Stitch Fix sells like crazy. Crazy. Was this half off? No, this was full price, so that was $5. Here's another Stitch Fix, but this was half off. It's Paper Moon. Here you go. It's just a little gray popover. These sell awesome, like I keep on saying. It's a Free People. I have to measure it for the size. It doesn't have the size on it, but it's one of their Henley shirts, and then the arms has these cute little details going down it, which is super cute, and I love this color, and I love the little detail on the sides too. It's got like a little rib feature on the sides. This I was debating on getting because it was full price and I've never sold it before. It's super dry, it's a size extra small, but it's mohair, so I got it. Mohair is a really good fabric, so, and I personally like mohair, so my go-to is always, oh, I'll just keep it if it doesn't sell, but like I'll keep that one if it doesn't sell. This was half off. It's a James purse, size 1. I don't know what that translates to. They do vanity sizing, maybe a large, I forget. But James purse always does basic pieces. This was half off. It was $3, and the last James purse I sold went for $50. This is Theory. I don't always pick up Theory, but sometimes it's poppin', and I think this is part cashmere, so, and it was half off of $9.99, so it was $5, and cardigans always do well. It's got 2 pockets in it, so, you know, I just picked that up real fast. This is Evelyn. I personally own one of these. The last one I found, this one was new with tags. It was full price, but I got it because I love the one that I own. I think this is a Nordstrom brand. I wear the one that I have all the time, but mine is, actually mine's a large. This is a large too. I'm going to sell that one because I already have one. But that's beautiful. I don't know how much it'll sell for, but it better sell for a lot. It's 100% cashmere also. This is Eileen Fisher. It's a size small. I love this. I want to keep this. What else is new? It's got the rib, like tight sleeves, and then the cow neck here. And then this is what it looks like at the bottom. It's a little bit high-low. It's super comfortable. It's like that. It's Italian yarn. And I actually found an All Saints Italian yarn shirt too, and I bought it, but there's a really tiny hole in it, so I'm not even putting that in this haul. I don't have everything in these hauls. BTW. This is Dolce & Gabbana, which I don't know anything about. It was $8.99. I decided to just get it. There was a lot of expensive stuff here today, so I'm assuming this is real. I have to do a little more research on it, but it's this really gorgeous floral print, and I just really liked it. So, you know, scooped it. What can go wrong? I lose $8. Whatever. Not the best mentality for a reseller, but hey, you know what? Alright, this is Celine. Celine, yep, it's Celine. You know those purses that go for like $2,000? Yeah, this is it. It's not a purse, so it's not going to go for $2,000, but I'm hoping to get at least 100 out of it. It's just a really soft Celine turtleneck with like a huge turtleneck. Like, oh, I want this one too. I really want this one actually, but no, Tristan, you have to sell it. You have to make money. Cute. That was full price. $5. This was also full price, $5. It's a little Puma crop top with long sleeves. It's really cute. And then guess what? It is Fenty. It is Puma Fenty. And Fenty is Rihanna's line. And it's new with tags. I saw this after the fact, like after I already had it in my car, and I was like, okay, alright. So we got a new with tags. The tag says $80 on it, so I'll probably sell this for, I don't know. Well, I'll have to see what it's going for. Maybe 40, 50, 60 maybe? We'll see. I got these shoes These are Edmundo Castillo Italian shoes, which I looked up and are extremely expensive. I'm hoping to get $80 out of these. They have like the purple felt here. Gorgeous. It's a tie between which one's my favorite for the next two pairs. If my camera dies, bye. But I'm gonna just keep going till then. These are Stuart Weitzman shoes. They're practically brand new. Stuart Weitzman are a hit or a miss, and these I am sure are a hit. Look how freaking cute. They're adorable. Literally so cute. I love them. Okay. They're so cute. I paid $8.99 for these too. Like, what? Can you beat that? No. And I got these, which I'm very unsure about. They are Tom Brown, but like the expensive Tom Brown, I realized has an E at the end of the brown, and these don't, so I'm not really sure about them. They're the Courtney style, so if anybody knows anything about these kind of shoes, let me know. They're a size 7, and they fit me, and I'm in love with them, so, you know, like the same thing I say for every single item. If nothing happens to it, then I'm gonna just keep them, but I'd really like to sell them because I think they're worth a lot of money, but I just can't figure out like what they are. Oh. Sorry, my throat. But they were $12.99, so I don't know. I have to figure these out, and then you can look on my eBay and see what happens to them. If I price them high, if I price them low. But that is not everything, but that is everything that I'm going to show in the video. Other things are just kind of like super basic that I just don't even feel like showing, or I haven't steamed them yet, or they're in the wash because they had a stain in them. But my camera's going to die, so bye. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out my eBay store. If you want to buy any of these things, feel free to message me. Feel free to make me an offer. Have a beautiful day, everybody, and goodbye.